Hey, it's This Week in Forex, Cryptocurrency and Stocks with Invest Diva. I'm your coach, Kiana, Danial, and I'll give you your 5-minute overview of these markets in just a moment. But before we get started, if you watch until the end and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And go to the comment section, let me know why you didn't like it. And if you'd like to get secrets on how to make your money grow by investing in the financial markets, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Forex is first. Last week was a stellar week for the US dollar, which worked its way to the top of the Forex list following several positive trade developments. Looking forward, we'll keep a close eye on statements from the FOMC and other major market makers. North of the border, the Canadian dollar also fared quite well. Oil tensions in the Middle East have allowed the Looney to benefit from its own nation's stability. Beyond oil prices, pay attention to Canada's upcoming trade reports. The biggest mover last week, though, was the British pound, largely due to the recent election of Boris Johnson as Prime Minister. Contrary to his predecessor, Theresa May, Johnson seems committed to following through with Brexit, regardless of whether the British government can secure a workable deal. Elsewhere around the world, we saw a modest performance from the euro, which was indirectly weighed down by the new Brexit outlook. Currencies in Japan, Australia, and New Zealand all experienced negative weeks, with several major reports coming up at the end of the month. Expect Forex market to be more active than usual. Next is crypto. After opening the month with a surge nearing $13,000, Bitcoin has reversed its July gains and is now trading around the 9,500 mark. We actually identified a double top bearish reversal pattern in BTC versus US dollar at the beginning of July, and the pair has also broken below the daily Ichimoku cloud. On top of this, Bitcoin has generally been inversely correlated to the US stock market, as many institutional investors have been using it as a hedge. With potential rate cut by the Fed this week, the US stock could see further gains, especially if the Fed hints on more cuts in 2019. And with that, the combination of the technicals and the fundamentals point to a potential further declines for Bitcoin, at least to $8,792. Most of the crypto market moved along with Bitcoin, resulting in a generally disappointing month for the industry as a whole. However, there are multiple positive developments that may result in a productive August. With more governments and markets opening up to the use of crypto, we can expect some productive competition. Other developing crypto stories to watch includes Tether stablecoin's newest launch, the development of the finance app Aximetria, and Facebook's Libra hearings in Washington, D.C. Depending on how the hearings play out, the crypto world may experience a major transformation. If you're wondering on how you can take your crypto investing to the next level, don't forget to get your free copy of my new book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, on investdiva.com. Next is the stock market. Last week was a generally positive week for the stock market, which witnessed the S&P 500 reverse its fortune and once again break the 3,000 mark. The Dow experienced a bit less movement throughout the week though, but it still managed to finish with positive gains. These can be attributed to the potential Fed rate cut already being priced in the markets. The approved merger of Sprint and T-Mobile caused both of the telecom giants to experience more than 5% gains in value. The merger marks one of the largest in the industry that generally is well known for monopolies and trust busting. So some traders believe that small companies falling behind is a sign of upcoming economic turmoil. These feelings are further reflected by Jerome Powell, who has once again hinted that the Federal Reserve is planning a rate cut. Nevertheless, the US continues to outpace many of the world's largest markets. This week, we'll keep a close eye on monthly earnings reports and see how the market reacts. We'll also monitor the effects of Pfizer merging with generic drug maker Mylan, along with ongoing stock issues at Boeing. That about does it for this week's news. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency in Invest Diva's premium investing group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. If you liked this video, like it, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my next update. Thank you so much for watching Invest Diva, and remember, make your money work for you.